What's up, you guys? Good morning. We here another day. We're about to do another fishing video. We're going to Galveston, Texas. I'm doing a few laps of walking at Lamar University, and it's expected to rain. It's pretty cloudy, as you can see in the back. It's pretty cloudy in the back, and you know, I fish in the rain anyway, so as long as it ain't thundering, I don't pretty worry about the rain. But yeah, just another fishing day. I'm only need pretty much one fishing rod today, because that little fishing rod can't throw out that much in the water I'm gonna be fishing in Galveston, so it's pretty pointless. Even though I love that fishing rod, I'm be using my my level wind bait cast. Yeah, my level wind bait caster. So it's pretty exciting. I love fishing in Dallas, but I mean, I like fishing in Galveston, Texas. But yeah, we about to pretty much get this walk in, and we're about to pack up to head out to Galveston. So let's get it.
Don't you give me any reason. Don't you give me any reason. She's weird. Summer's here gonna turn up. She got a bottle going pour it up. Good girls know how to throw the hood up. She said, don't you give me any reason. Don't you give me a reason to squeeze it. Pull the trigger to my heart, then I bleed. Nothing more, I was focused on things. Long time it's been. I've been working, so I miss your calling. Don't you wanna see me out here ballin', baby? Back now, so nothing else is important. Even in the night, you so gorgeous. Takes time to make time, don't you know it? Come vibe with me, Summer's here gonna turn up. She got a bottle going pour it up.
What's up, you guys? I finally made it to the first part of Galveston. I'm about to head to go get some bait soon, and jump on the ferry and head to the fishing pier. But here I am right here. Look how beautiful it is, though. The water is pretty calm today. Surprisingly calm, because usually the water crashing and stuff. The water crashing. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. It's surprising. I've never really been here when the water this calm, so it's pretty cool. But yeah, we headed on. Hey, you got a nice spot here. I like your setup.
Yeah, it's my 13th year.
Oh, it's impressive. We have a business too.
Yeah.
And I have a bounce house and party equipment business myself.
Yeah, good. That's when?
Yes, ma'am. And I'm gonna take some work.
All right.
Ain't nothing wrong with taking like variety of stuff.
That's right.
You never know what kind. Yes, ma'am. Hopefully I'll catch a shark for the first time. I don't know. Probably do, probably don't, but here you go.
Well, some of the shark are 2.5 foot, 3 foot.
Oh, I don't care. Look, I tell people all the
they're
time,
fun.
I'm excited to catch anything. I don't care if it's small or big. So.
So we got 16, some 23 ounce ice.
I already have ice and towel. And thank you for letting me record this nice place.
Open now on the weekends.
Oh, that's even good.
Yeah.
That's even good.
Yeah.
But
There you go.
thank you so much. I forgot. I'm so excited.
Make sure you
Well,
take a picture of him smiling with us.
well, you have a good one. Thank you so much.
Good to meet y'all.
Yes, ma'am.
You too.
Say, don't you give me any reason. Don't you give me any reason. She's weird.
What's up, you guys? We finally made it to the ferry. It's pretty packed right now, but of course it's the weekend. We're about to get ready to get on that ferry and head to the fishing pier. Go and catch some fish. Yeah, buddy. How you doing? What's up? What's going on?
Hello, where you want us to go?
Lane 1, far left.
All right, thank you.
Here we go. Can you calm it down for me, please? I got all these cars. Oh, this pretty much ain't nothing. We all gonna fit on one cruise. Or the next shipment. But yeah, buddy. Waiting for it.
Say, don't you give me any reason. Don't you give me any reason. She's weird. Summer's here, gonna turn up. She got a bottle going, pour it up. Good girls know how to throw the hood up. She said, don't you give me any reason. Don't you give me a reason to squeeze it. Pull the trigger to my heart, then I bleed. Nothing more, I was focused on things. Long time it's been. I've been working, so I miss your calling. Don't you wanna see me out here balling, baby? Back now, so nothing else is important. Even in the night, you so gorgeous. Takes time to make time, don't you know it? Come vibe with me, Summer's here, gonna turn up. She got the bottle going, pour it up. Good girls know how to throw the hood up. She said, don't you give me any reason. No. Don't you give me a reason to squeeze it. Pull the trigger to my heart, then I bleed. Nothing more, I was focused on things. Long time it's been. Long time.
Man, this Saturday was pretty cool, man. A lot of people was outside. You know, people work hard throughout the week just to soak all this in. All this beautiful sun, all this beautiful food, all this beautiful water, beautiful fish. So, man, this is pretty cool. And, man, when I tell you, my ride to the pier was pretty cool. Seeing some awesome vehicles that people brung out.
Juice. Late night is I like. Yeah. Late night, it's our night, love. Let's not be basic. Come and taste it. I know what you really want. is my love, baby. My love. Have you ever gave your heart to someone that you cannot love? Have you ever felt that feeling after freaking like there's no more love? I just wanna chill. Maybe we should talk about it. Show me what it is. I done climbed the highest mountains trying to find what's real. Maybe we should take some time, love. Maybe we should take some time for my love. Late night, it's our night, love. Let's not be basic. Come and taste it. I know what you really want is my love, baby. My love. Juice. Late night is our night, love. Yeah. Late night, it's our night, love. Let's not be basic. Come and taste it. I know what you really want is my love, baby. My love. Have you ever gave your heart to someone that you cannot love? Have you ever felt that feeling after freaking like there's no more love? I just wanna chill. Maybe we should talk about it. Show me what it is. I done climbed the highest mountains trying to find what's real. Maybe we should take some time, love. Maybe we should take some time for my love. Late night, it's our night, love. Let's not be basic. Come and taste it. I know what you really want is my love, baby. My love.
I finally made it here. You hear me carrying the stuff now. They said no swimming. Swimming is prohibited. But you know, I definitely don't plan on swimming this. Even the people in this water, I can't judge them, but in my opinion, that's freaking insane. I wouldn't dare want to do that. Too much of a risk. It's not worth it. But guess what? I'm definitely gonna fish off of it. Always worth it. Fantastic day. Oh my God. Absolute beautiful. I feel like I'm on top of the world. A 1000% worth it. I have a new spot. I guess I'll go down here. And I have several bait. I have squid. I have mullet, and I have shrimp. So in case they don't like the food I have variety. So that shouldn't be a problem like that. So we about to get this started. Yeehaw. Let me get my setup right. It's pretty bright out here. I pretty much want to start out with squid first because I mean we out here, you know. It's so weird. I never touched this crap before. Never. It feels so weird. And definitely not throwing this whole squid out. But towards the end, when I leave, I'm gonna start cutting up the baits more chunkier. Cause you know, everything always be worth it. But we know we don't like wasting anything. Anything. So got this chunk out, and I'm about to pretty much set up my camera. Let me see. Oh yeah, this ain't that bad. What's up, man?
Give me a look.
Oh yeah, I just got here.
Oh, okay.
It's filming a YouTube video.
What are you fishing for?
I fish for anything, man.
I don't
It's peaceful out here, man. Come on, man. Can't go wrong with this.
Yeah, see, they're feeding right now. They're blowing up on the mullet.
Yep. Let's see if they want this squid.
Squid?
Yep.
If you got a big enough hook, or if you have a cast net,
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, if you can somehow catch like whatever you catch on that, you might catch a croaker or something like that.
A croaker, yeah.
Yeah. You fish or like,
What you mean?
do you like fish often, or like are you
Oh
like an
yeah.
avid fisher?
I do a YouTube videos on fishing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Alright, so you know
definitely.
what you're doing.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Okay.
But I don't know it all. I pretty much learn as I go.
That'll be perfect, okay. dude.
Hey, nice talking to you, man.
Yeah, nice
Oh
talking to
yeah, and congratulations, man. Hard work, man.
Thank you, I appreciate
Yes, sir.
it. Good luck.
Oh yeah. So yeah, like I said, I got this squid on and I'm about to cast out. No, you good. That's a cool bike, man.
Thanks, bro.
I got you. Just throw it out, just couldn't get it on camera. Yeah. Finally got it out there. I fish, I usually don't look for anything. I pretty much just whatever that's biting I like.
Hell yeah.
For real, man. You from out here?
Nah, I just got here like 4 weeks ago.
Oh, I'm from Beaumont.
It's
I'm from Houston.
oh, that's close by. Yeah. But yeah, I catch anything, man. I don't care what it is. There she goes, just waiting for a bite. I got a fish on right now. On a squid. Let me see. I don't know if it's still on there. Yeah. Look like a little catfish.
Small.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's a baby.
Little gap top.
You can use it for baby.
Yeah.
Or, well,
Little gap top. Man, I'm trying to catch some big guys. Like I said, I'm excited.
you don't want them, I'll take them.
You for real?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can have them.
Hell yeah. I'll
Don't
make
get
a sandwich out of them.
You quarters for me, bro? You don't mind? It's a quick slip. It's already
playing.
recorded.
Hell yeah.
Caught a little gap top.
Want me to press play?
No, it's already playing.
Okay.
Got a gap top on the squid. Appreciate it, man.
Oh, anytime, man.
There you go.
Yeah. Thanks, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Shit, man.
No, you good.
I don't mean to get in your way, man.
No, you good, man. Like I said, I'm on board, man. I'm chilling.
I'm gonna give you my number. Matter of fact, I'm gonna let you talk to my boss. Okay?
Oh, really? I'm getting a bite already.
I can guarantee you're gonna get some bites, bro. What's up? You got a bite, bro?
Heck yeah.
Oh, take your time. Hold on. You got one. Hold on.
This one bigger.
That's a catfish?
Yep. Yeah, up top.
Yes, sir.
They got one hang-up spot around that area.
What?
One hang-up spot around the area, so I'll try to avoid it.
I don't want to hurt her.
No, you good. This one more bigger.
Between those two rocks right there.
Yeah, up top.
You want him?
All right.
I can have him?
Yeah, I don't care about that.
Yeah, shit. I eat him. How you take your hook out?
Kind of be gentle. It look like I'm being rubbed with. I'm trying to get.
No, that's the thing. I don't want to fuck him up. You know what I mean?
Nah, he good. There's a knife right there. You can grab it.
I ain't worried about that.
There you go. Let me take a video for it real quick.
Yeah. Where you phone?
No, I got it.
That's a little bigger.
Yeah, that's a little bigger. You can just pick it up in there, bro.
I got it. Shrimp.
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Wow!
much just rig it back in again. Caught 2 catfish. Caught 2 gap top. The one was okay size. The other one was pretty good size. Maybe a 15 inch. Hey, that's cool, man.
Hey, you want it? You want it?
Hey, can I record you with it, man?
Man, how you? Oh my goodness. Yo, you caught that on the what's going on there, bro?
That's pretty cool.
That's pretty good.
Fish, baby.
That's pretty cool. Let's see.
Very pretty. Yeah. So pretty.
Look at the yellowness around it.
Oh, okay. Well, look, I'm gonna highlight that later on, okay?
I'm out here now. Only caught two gap tops. Trying to see what else I can catch. Had 2 other runs. Unfortunately, I didn't get to get to them. So, my bait caster had backlashes pretty bad. Backlash pretty bad. So I gotta rig it on back up. So I'm about to rig it up and see what else I can catch. So, yep, that's pretty much it. That was quick. See what else they do?
Gatorade?
Yeah.
Go back over there and eat some Cheetos.
If you don't mind.
Drink or?
Gatorade.
And let's see a rojo. No? Vamos conmigo. You don't want to go sit with me? You want to go sit with me and eat Cheetos? No. Well, Maria wants to go crabs.
Oh, crap.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
I freaking dreamed about catching this fish, I swear.
That's a good one.
I forgot what you call these.
Mira, pescado.
That's the yellow tin, right?
Yeah, I think it is.
Yeah, it is.
Wait, what kind of fish is it?
It's the yellow tin.
You want to keep it?
Sure.
Oh, yeah, man. Here you go. We'll get a good video out of it.
Yeah,
I got it freaking good.
The ones that were right in the net.
Yeah, but it's a
Those
bigger
are the
one.
ones, yeah.
But they can get bigger.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I know. A lot.
This is pretty cool. It seems like that's what the shrimp like. Man, appreciate you. What
did you end up getting?
Just a Gatorade.
That's what I'm saying. You got a fish?
Oh yeah, I caught this. It have a yellow piece on the top. I'm gonna ask him. Hey, what fish I caught?
That's good one, right? Go get a bucket, though. Well, I mean, will they come? Will they eat my?
I think it is. Dangerous. Well, that's pretty much it. It was a cool day. It was a little rocky in the beginning, even though I still caught 2 fish. But yeah, Galveston, Texas. I met some cool people while fishing. They had great hospitality. They caught some fish as well, and the fish I caught I gave away. So I just felt good, man. But yep. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. And yep, Galveston, Texas, man.